Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI Nova 8i. Start by accessing Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Now finally choose send on an Android and receive on HUAWEI. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select send in order to send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo. Choose send and click got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key and choose receive over here or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on HUAWEI, then tap on allow and point your camera at the code. Then we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can go into App Files, find Send Anywhere folder and simply click on it. As you can see, my photo is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!